Open your web browser and go to the official Clip Studio Paint website and navigate to the download section. Click on the download button to start the download. Step 2. Running the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file. It's usually in your downloads folder. Double-click on it to start. A security prompt may appear asking you to give administration rights for the installer so it can make changes to your device. Click Yes. Step 3. Installation settings. The Clip Studio Paint installation wizard will open. Click Next to proceed. You'll then be prompted to choose the installation location. You can either stick with the default or choose a different one. And click Next when you're ready. You can select the components you want to install. Typically, you'll want to install all components, so leave the checkboxes checked and click Next. Now choose the Start menu folder or leave it as the default and then click Next. Step 4. Completing the installation. Review your installation settings and click Install to begin the installation process. Once it is complete, click Finish. Step 5. Launch the Clip Studio Paint. Congratulations, Clip Studio Paint is now installed on your PC. You can launch the application from the desktop shortcut to find it in the Start menu. And that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.